Login failed on Clarity Money fix. You tried to open Clarity Money to check your subscriptions or see where your money's going, but instead, you get that frustrating login failed message. Most people think their password is wrong, but here's the surprising truth. In most cases, it's not you, it's the app or your connection. Let's fix it together. Start by checking if Clarity Money's servers are down. You can search online for Clarity Money outage or Marcus by Goldman Sachs app status, since Clarity now operates under the Marcus platform. If their servers are having issues, the only fix is to wait. It's temporary and usually resolved within a few hours. If there's no outage, test your internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Secure financial apps require stable connections to log in successfully. Next, update the app. Go to your device's app store, find Clarity Money or Marcus and tap Update. Outdated versions often fail to sync with the latest authentication systems. If that doesn't work, clear your app cache or reinstall the app completely. This removes corrupted temporary data that might be blocking your login. On Android, you can clear the cache under Settings, then Apps. On iPhone, just delete and reinstall the app. Now, check if your linked financial accounts have changed. If your bank updated its security or login page, Clarity Money may not recognize your stored credentials. You'll need to reconnect or reauthorize those accounts in the settings. Also, make sure your device's date and time are set automatically. Incorrect system clocks can cause encrypted logins to fail. Finally, if you're using a PIN, disable it. Financial apps often block logins from unknown or international IPs for safety reasons. After following these steps, verifying the connection, updating the app, and refreshing your linked accounts, your login should be back to normal. So, if Clarity Money ever tells you login failed, don't worry. It's almost always a temporary hiccup. Try these quick fixes, and you'll be back managing your money and tracking your budget with ease.